Impact of the weather was felt especially hard at truck stops along Interstate 81. Drivers pulled off the highway by the hundreds. WSLS 10's Rob Manch kicks off our team coverage in Rockbridge County. So, Rob, what have drivers been dealing with while they've been out there?
Well, hey there, Lindsay. Yeah, I'm standing by Interstate 81 now in Rockbridge County, and right now, as you can see, the snow has kind of let up, and the driving conditions are pretty good, but just a few hours ago, driving conditions were terrible. Snow was still falling a lot, and trucks were pulling off 81 by the hundreds, making one truck stop at exit 195, Lehigh. The Lehigh truck stop closed its doors to trucks, so we decided to head over to Rockbridge County's largest truck stop to see how they fared the storm. When it comes to traversing the storm, even experienced drivers agree.
It's been really bad.
Amber Samang is working her way down to Virginia from New York.
I've driven through like all this snow, so I've had to pull over and clean my windshield wipers off every 10 minutes.
Robert Bergstresser, the owner of White's Truck Stop, says Samang and her vehicle aren't alone.
We have probably about 550 to 600.
Bergstresser says his crew is doing everything they can to accommodate the demand.
We had 4 guys all night last night, and then we had another crew come in on daylight, and we have motor graders and backhoes and bobcats and just to try to get you staff and make sure you get plenty of salt.
And it's a good thing too, because Samang says she wouldn't have made it much farther.
And I almost ran out of fuel, and I ran out of everything in my truck. So good thing they were open, because I tried to stop at the one before here and the ramps were closed.
After finally finding this comfortable place to stop, Samang and hundreds of other drivers are making the same decision.
So I'll probably stay here.
Well, as you can see, those conditions have gotten a lot better since then, and drivers aren't having too many troubles out on I-81. But if you wonder why that gift you ordered might be a little late in getting to your house, now you might have an idea why. In Rockbridge County, Rob Manch, WSLS 10.